Hello, dear students. Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fine and enjoying our digital class. Myself, Mrs. Ashwini Rohit Satpute from Advocate Bapu Sahib Bonde High School, Lonavala. Today, I am going to teach you the subject of English 2. In this subject, today we are going to learn grammar section. Children, do you remember? In the previous class, we had learned about these and those. This and that are used to show a single or one person, place, animal, or thing. These and those are used to show plural or many person, places, animals, or things. Children, today I will be teaching you the uses of is, am, and are in our sentences. First, we will be starting with is. Is used with singular. Singular means one. When we are talking about one person, one place, one thing, one animal, or one bird. For example, Raman is a naughty boy. Raman is one. That's why we will write is. My house is red and yellow. There is one. There is not 10 houses. So we will write is. This is a football. In the picture, you can see there is only one football. That's why we use is. Lucy is my pet cat. So there is only one cat in the picture. So we write is. So wherever we are talking about one object, one person, one place, we will use is. Now the second one is am. Am is only used with I. So whenever we are talking about ourselves, that what I am doing, then we will use am. For example, I am drinking milk. What I am doing? I am drinking milk. So I am talking about myself. Whenever we are talking about ourselves, we will use am. I am running. I am going to the park. I am writing. I am eating. So whenever I comes, we will automatically write am. Now the third one is are. The way is used with singular. Are is used with plural. Plural means more than one. When we are talking about more than one person, more than one places, more than one things, more than one animals or birds, then we always write A-R-E-R. For example, the boys are playing. What are the boys doing? They are playing. Because now we are not talking about one boy. After boy, you can see S. S means more than one. When there are more than one person, more than one things, we write S. So, the boys are playing. Next, the birds are sitting in their nest. More than one birds becomes plural. So we will write are. The mother is making chapatis. What is mother making? Chapatis. So mother is one. That's why we wrote is. We didn't write are. But if in place of mother we have the shapes dash making chapatis, then what we will write? We will write are, because with shapes, shape means one, shapes means more than one. So more than one shapes are making chapatis. Then we will write ARER. The shapes are making chapatis. I hope the use of is, am, and are clear to you all children. Let's revise what we have learned today. Today we have learned we use is with singular noun he, she, it, this, that, and name. Am is used only with I when we are talking about ourselves only. Are is used with plural noun you, we, they, these, and those. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.